Hey, it's Coach Becky here, and today I'm going to show you 3 jump rope moves you can do to work that cardio and melt off that fat. Now, hey, if you need a jump rope, guess what? We're giving them away for free. So check out that pinned comment down below. Click that link to grab your jump rope today. All right, let's go ahead and hop into these moves. I'm going to show you 3 ways to jump that aren't just that boring. You know, this is fun, this is great if you're getting started, right? But let's show you a couple ways that you can change it up. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go and do some high knees. All right, so what you're gonna do is just start jumping like normal, okay, to get your flow, to get your rhythm. And from there, just start to bring those knees up. You don't have to go crazy high. This isn't like I'm trying to hit myself in the face with my knee. Just do what's comfortable for you and that gets you moving at a nice, good pace. So I'm just alternating one knee up and then the other, kind of like I'm just jogging here in place. All right, next up, we're gonna do kind of like a jumping jack, so a little bit of an in-out motion with your legs. So what we're gonna do, so again, just kind of get started, okay, and then you're gonna hop out, hop in, hop out, hop in. So the key here is just finding a good rhythm with the jump rope. You know, you might take a little practice. If you mess up, that's okay. Just keep trying. It's out together. And again, your feet don't have to go crazy wide. Keep it small to keep a nice, good rhythm with that jump rope. Lastly, we're gonna do some hip twists just to get those hips moving and loosened up a little bit. So go ahead and start with your jump rope. And what I wanna do is just kind of take your toes from corner to corner. Okay, so my upper body stays pretty straight, but I'm moving side to side from those hips down. Okay, so corner to corner, corner to corner, just like that. Boom. So there's 3 moves that you can do, and why I love jump roping. Jump roping is a great way to get cardio in anywhere, anytime. So you can do this in your house, you can do this in your yard, you can take this with you when you travel. So there's no excuse, you don't need a machine to get cardio in, and it's just a great way to work your entire body. All right, thanks for watching. If you need a jump rope, check out that pinned comment down below. We're giving them away for free. So grab yours, click that link, and head over and get it. All right, thanks for watching and joining me for this jump rope exercise video.